Hey guys, so today I will show you my scalp care routine for faster hair growth and how to fix protein overload / remedy for dry and brittle hair. Now, it is a must to detox your hair if you are into oiling your hair and scalp. So to exfoliate my scalp, I will use this pink clay scrub from Kerotin. Now, it contains coconut oil, peppermint oil, and pink clay. Now, this is most especially great to use if you have sensitive scalp. This helps unclog the hair follicles, it removes the deeper impurities, it removes dead skin cells, it soothes the scalp, it helps with cell renewal, and it balances the pH level of your scalp. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to wet my hair, and then before using it, I will remove the excess water and then just start applying it directly on my scalp. I'm going to go and try to apply it by sections just to make sure that I have my whole head covered with it. You can either use your fingers to massage your scalp, but I prefer using a scalp massager just so that it'll be easier for me to lather and distribute the product and massage it on my scalp without creating knots on my hair. Now, this scrub is great to use to cleanse your scalp and the top part of your hair to get rid of all the excess dirt, any excess oils, or product buildup that is left on your scalp. This works as a great substitute to a clarifying shampoo as well. Now, after this, I will rinse it off with water, and then I will use my Kerotin Scalp Flake Relief Mask. Now, once again, this has coconut oil, ginger oil, and lemongrass oil, which are all great for hair growth and hydrating the scalp too. Now, this mask is great for soothing irritation and itchiness. So I will go ahead and apply this on the top part of my hair, but just avoid the roots. Now, after that, I left that on my head for 15 minutes. I just did some work on my laptop just to kill time. And then after that, I rinse it off. And then I just decided to use the Protein Reset Hair Care Set because I've been using a lot of coconut milk and fully packed DIY protein hair masks on my hair. And I just want to balance out my hair from all of the protein buildup due to using a lot of protein treatments. So in here, I'm using the Kerotin Protein Reset Shampoo. Now, this has artichoke leaf extract and marshmallow root extract. Now, this shampoo is formulated to remove protein buildup without stripping away moisture. And as you all can see, it has a clear formula. So I'm using this on the top part of my hair, avoiding my scalp and down to the very ends of my hair because that's the part to where I've been really heavily applying a lot of coconut milk in that area. Now, while I'm at it, I tried out the Protein Reset Mask, and this one is formulated to deep condition the hair as well as reverse protein overload. It contains pure honey extract, shea butter, and avocado oil, and these are my favorite ingredients for deep conditioning the hair. And this instantly became one of my favorite ready-made hair masks because you can really notice the effect after using this once on your hair. So I just applied it all over my hair. Once again, of course, avoiding the roots. And I just left that on my hair for around 7 to 10 minutes. And then I just washed it off. Now, lastly, I use the Protein Reset Conditioner. Now, this, once again, has pure honey extracts. It has marshmallow root extracts, and this is made to provide intense moisturizing action on your hair, targeting dryness, frizz, and dullness. Plus, it helps combat brittleness. Just because if you have protein overload, this is the first thing that you'll notice is your hair feeling brittle and fragile. So I will use that on the bottom part of my hair. I left that on my hair for 3 minutes and then I just rinsed it out. And after this, I just decided to let my hair air dry. And this is the result. This Protein Reset line is actually what my hair really needs at the moment because I've been using, as I've said, a lot of protein treatments, most especially coconut milk, and I can honestly say that I did use a little much. I usually incorporate them in my DIYs if you've been watching my recent videos with my DIYs. Now, the signs tell if your hair is being loaded with so much protein is that it would feel dry, but not in a way that's damage dry. It will also feel brittle, like a broomstick texture, and for some it can make their hair feel coarse and fragile, and your hair can look dull too. And for me, I can tell that after using these products both on my hair and scalp, my hair and scalp feels very light and clean, and it just feels different. And probably you can't really tell that in the camera, but the texture of my hair feels so much smoother and easier to work with. And my problem before is I would oil my ends and it would feel great for a day, and then the next day it will be super dry again, and that fixed this problem for me. So now I'm planning to do this every other week to maintain the health of my hair and scalp. And so far, I've been really liking this hair keratin that I'm doing now, and I find that it has been working well. Now, these products go so well with my DIYs, and one great thing that I like about keratin products is that they contain natural ingredients. So that is it, you guys. Once again, if you all are interested in the products that I'm using here, I'm going to be linking them in the description box. If you all like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!